Imagine a Nutribullet unlike any other. A Nutribullet with powerful, performance-optimized blending technology. A personal-sized Nutribullet that was made just for you. A portable, cordless, rechargeable Nutribullet that you can take with you wherever and whenever you want. Say hello to the Nutribullet Portable Blender. Perfectly delicious, healthy, super smooth smoothies, nutrient-packed protein shakes, iced coffee drinks, and more. Just like you love them. Yours to create and enjoy at home or on the go. Quick boosts of goodness. Great blends, no limits. With a lightweight, personalized, portable Nutribullet that comes in all your favorite colors to complement your style and fit your go-getter lifestyle. Just charge it up fast and take it with you. The Nutribullet Portable Blender is designed to go wherever you do, so you stay energized all day long. Take your blend game to go. It's a game changer when it comes to sippable, sensational nutrition wherever you roam. At home, at work, at the gym, in your car. Now you can whip up fresh, mega delicious Nutribullet smoothies and your favorite drinks at the speed of life. Wherever life takes you, it's smoothie bliss in every sip. The Nutribullet power and quality you know and love. Now cordless and totally portable. Take wellness with you. It's the new Nutribullet Personal Portable Blender.